Look in here. There's nothing left. It looks like a tornado went through. Can you see that with the camera?
It's hard because I hope you get it though.
This looks like a tornado came through.
Michelle,
there's nothing left in here.
You can even
it's
get
all
the grass.
blasted.
The grass, Michelle,
it's terrible. Look at the trees down everywhere. Just everywhere you look, there's trees down.
It looks like tornado or
it looks like a tornado, but it's ice storm.
It's ice storm. It's all ice. You can even kick the grass and it will just roll.
It breaks.
It breaks.
Get this faster, this mud hole. Look, everywhere you look, there's broken trees. There's not a spot anywhere without broken trees.
We have to go out and check our friend.
Yeah, we haven't heard from our friend, and last we knew a power line hit her vehicle. And then there was no connection since. Look at this mess. Look at this.
It's not a joke.
Just chaos.
It looks pretty, but
yeah, it looks pretty.
It's just falling the tree. Look at that, it's all just break because of the ice so heavy that the tree
it's just a mess. Total mess. This is going to be all clear cut, so I'll pause. Tree broke. Trees broke. Trees broke. Trees broke. It's a mess. It's a total mess. The whole, there isn't going to be much left anymore. Now they're down. There's not going to be anything left. This is what I was worried about. They're losing all of their fences. Oh, this is horrible. So much destruction along the way. All these fence lines. So many trees on the fence line. That's what I was worried about. Remember, Melanie, I said I think the hunting place is going to have trouble? Look at how many trees are on the fences now. I don't know if that shows on camera, guys, but it's just constant. Oh, this is flatland. All the trees are flat. It's just flat. Their fences are annihilated. Look at the trees laying down to the ground, bowed down. Before you couldn't really see the power lines here. Look at these laying flat. These are tall trees. They're laying down. They're tipped over in upside down U's. I've never seen such a storm. I grew up in Michigan. I've seen some storms, but I've never seen this much damage from one storm. All the way down. This is absolute chaos out here. What a mess. We're going to check on our friend. Oh no, I don't think we can get to her.
No, we're not going back.
We're not. No, we can't get to her. There's nothing, there's no way through to get to her.
There's a power line.
No, that's madness. There's no way through there. Well, nuts. See if you can call her. That's all we can do. We had brief phone signal out here, so the towers are not totally down. All right, well, we'll get out of here. Look at this. They're bowed right down, touching the ground. This is just amazing mess. We're not. There's. Wow, it's a lot of trees down. Oh, look at this yard. What a mess. It's all on the left side. You'll notice I'm holding my camera on one side because the wind was blowing a certain direction. And all the trees are down on this side. I was saying yesterday there was 20 to 30 trees per mile. And I would say today it's a lot more than that. Oh, that one was down yesterday. That one was down yesterday morning. or afternoon. That power line. There was a power line on the road and the road closed. This is just absolute chaos. I'm not going to show you people's yards for their privacy, but some yards are just complete devastation. It's just a mess.
I would not be there.
No, I wouldn't want to park right there. Oh no. No, not on that side of the road. This is just terrible devastation on this side of the road. Look at that. Look at how many trees are down over here, Melanie. This is the worst. This is just terrible on this side. There's another line on the ground. What a mess. It is an absolute mess. The only thing that compares to this that I've ever been through was the hurricane. So they said we talked to the fire department, there's power in town. So that's where we're headed, get some provisions. This looks like a tornado has come through. Look at their... I don't know how well it shows up, guys, but this is just total devastation. They're in there, Melanie. They can't get out. There's people in there. Look at this trees. It's complete devastation. Oh, look at that yard. You can't even get in there. Look at all the trees. Look at this on the lines. Oh, it's just all devastation everywhere.
That's a big wood.
I have this Van Powers portable solar generator. I just plugged in the fridge, let it cycle through and run through a cycle. It's only pulling 90 watts. That's amazing. This thing says it'll run 12 hours. And of course the fridge has a 30% duty cycle. Once it cycles off, this could probably run for a couple days. That is awesome. Here's a ham swan. You can't see it. It's dark in the living room. I'm saving a lot of energy, but anyway, we're using that to charge all our USB devices, and there's a light bulb that we use in the dark, and we're just using that for keeping our phones topped off, flashlights topped off, and whatever else. We have a through-night flashlight charging now. We have an emergency radio that we charged up this morning. We charged a bunch on this, and that's running well too. 88% still after charging a bunch of devices.